Because when she launched her business, you guys, she was working 2 jobs. And she plugged into this with no skills, no following, no background in digital marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing. And she, around her 2 jobs, was able to hit 6 figures in 9 months. So what I would love is for Amie to come on and share with you guys real quick. Amie, are you
Thank
with
you,
us?
Michelle. Yes, yes. Okay, guys. I don't know what your New Year's looks like for you, but I know for me, I didn't know for many years what my life was going to look like. I was 19 months ago, I've been in this program, but for many years I struggled. I was a single mom. I was working literally 18 hours a day, over 70 hours a week for 3 years straight. And I couldn't catch a break. I couldn't gain traction anywhere, right? So I really want you to look at, do you want to do a repeat in 25 of 24? And if you don't want your 2025 to look anything like this last year, this could be exactly what you're looking for. I didn't know I was looking for this when I found it because my daughter put me on TikTok. I had no social media. I had no experience in anything, right? I was too busy. So when I came across Michelle's video and she was talking about fitting this in a few hours every day, I thought, okay, maybe, but I don't have any skills. I don't know anything about any of this stuff. Literally, I'm Googling everything because it just blew my mind. But I had a lot of hope and a lot of prayers that I could finally get my time back. So I just had to really plug in and start learning. And one of the very first things I had to learn was the 2-hour workflow. Again, I'm working 18 hours a day, and both of my jobs, I was in the trucking industry and I was waitressing nights, weekends, holidays. Neither one of those jobs you can do stuff. I didn't have my phone on me. So I had to fit this in throughout my day, and that's exactly what I did. I just followed the program. I just followed it to a T. Whatever that 5-minute video told me to do, I did it, right? 30 minutes here, 20 minutes here, 45 minutes here throughout my day. And in just 10 weeks, I had learned and earned enough that I quit both of those jobs. Blew me away. I still, I'm 19 months in and I'm still pinching myself that I was able to even learn this because I didn't know if I could, right? I'd never been online. I was just got on social media because of my daughter, and I had doubt. Of course, a lot of people do because they just don't know their capabilities. But what I'm telling you, friends, is that something like this, if you're ready for something new, something better, and you've been looking for that thing, this is exactly what you've been looking for. And you may not know that right this minute, but I'm telling you, this could be exactly what you want. And I know for me it was. It gave me my time back. It has, in 19 months, it has earned me multiple 6 figures. I have over 13 streams of income, getting ready to add a couple more. And this all can be learned inside of this program. It's not just about 4 income streams. It's about starting with 4 income streams and then building more. And you can learn it. This is longevity. This isn't jump in real quick and get out. No, you're going to learn the skills to keep lining your bank account and enjoy your life at the same time, which many of us have never had that opportunity. So I just encourage you, especially at this time of the year, to thrive in 2025 because we can help you get there. You've just got to want it as much as we want to give it to you.
Mhm.
Absolutely.
So good. Yes. You got to want it just as much as we want to give it to you. Yes, that's it. And she says that, you guys, because inside our community, our goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earners and 1,000 self-made millionaires. And we know what's possible in the digital marketing space, and we know it will happen. So thanks, Amie, for sharing. And you guys, she is the best testament of what can happen if you work a lot of hours, but if you're willing to be coachable. And that's it. You just got to be coachable, right?